Hey, hi, welcome to California Literature Online. What's up? Okay, just to start off, I need you to know that this is my first online class teaching. I've taken a bunch of classes online, but I've never taught one online, so hopefully this is going to be super smooth, right? You guys are in this with me, we're in this together, so hopefully you're going to give me some feedback and let me know how it's going for you, how you're experiencing the class as we go through so that I know what I can change or make better, etc. Wanted to hit a couple of points before we get started, and I promise it's not going to be long. But I am going to post assignments with due dates Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then quizzes are going to close on Sundays. So even if a quiz is due on Thursday, but you haven't taken it yet and you wait till the weekend, you can still take it up until the very last second, 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. So Canvas might tell you that you did something late, but I am the one who has to eventually say, yeah, that was kind of late. I'm not going to count it, or it's going to get reduced points. Or I might just say, hey, good job that you did that and give you full credit. Um, Obviously, in my syllabus, it says nothing can be turned in late ever. So we're going to stick with that, and then we'll see how we go. All right, books. On the Canvas page, there's a syllabus that you can go through, and it has a page that says, here's the material that you need for English 205. When you get to the books page, if you go to the LMC website, you're going to figure out that what was there as of Friday that says it's required for this class, which is this book, An Interpretive History of California, is not the book that you need for the class. So don't buy this. And it's also super expensive because I guess it's a history text, whatever, I don't know. Don't buy that. It's not the book. It's the wrong one. It was my mistake. Don't get mad at the bookstore. Just don't get that book. So in the syllabus page, when you go to, let's see if I can navigate my own class. Course materials, there we go. So this is the book, The Literature of California, Volume 1, up to 1945. And then we are also reading Joan Didion's book, Where I Was From, and then Tommy Orange's book, There. So let's see, did I hit everything on my list? I think I did. All right, guys, I'm super excited. Check in every Tuesday and Thursday for updates. Make sure you do all your assignments and take your quizzes by 11:59 p.m. on Sundays because I have to close it down after that. All right, see you soon.